Alrighty, yeah, just over here today with my dad's Woodland Mills sawmill, and this thing is 4 years old, but we rarely use it. We've used it more in the last 2 months than ever. But man, we had a big windstorm the other night, and we typically have a cover on it. It's like a big sail, and there's like 50, 60 mile an hour wind gusts, and it broke the ropes that we have. So we tied it down with these ropes, and it broke them. Took off right off the end of the tracks, landed on its face, and smashed the cannon that holds the lubricant for the blade. Everything else, I just trued it up. Everything else is good, remarkably. And I just trued the rail up, so it should be cutting within an 1/8 inch, which is all we really need, because it's a good mill for basic rough cut. It does, the blade wanders no matter if you have a new sharp blade or not. Kind of has some waviness up and down. So I'm going to mill up some 2x12s today for form boards for footings for a job in Westbrook.
Alright, today we're using the sawmill, milling up some lumber. We can do our beginning stages of our ICF foundation. We're starting in Westbrook, Maine. They're rolling it right now, squaring it back up so we can make another cut. These handy little latches over here on this side.
Like you said. It's a short one. Yes, sir. Just finished up milling up our footing boards to form up some footings for an ICF foundation we're doing this next week coming up. We're going to start digging it tomorrow. This is part one. We used a total of 3 logs, you know, like 24, 28 inches in diameter, 12 foot long. 3 logs got us 28 2x12s by 12. It's about 3 hours.